Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anne and I create videos all about beads and fun beading projects. For today's video, I want to introduce you to PANDAHALL. PANDAHALL is a large online marketplace that is specialized in jewelry making supplies including beads, findings, charms, gemstones, cords, tools, and many other craft materials. What I love most about PANDAHALL is their wide variety of DIY bead kits. These kits are perfect for beginners who want to learn jewelry making or for anyone planning to start their own jewelry business. So if you'd like to order from PANDAHALL, new users can enjoy total of $53 in coupons, free shipping on their first order excluding the US, and up to 20% off with membership discounts. On top of that, you can use my discount code YXYTAN to get an extra 10% off your order. So without further ado, let me show you what I got from PANDAHALL. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. A stretchy, sparkling cord perfect for colorful jewelry and DIY crafts. Create beautiful nature-inspired earrings with this DIY leaf and flower glass earrings jewelry making kit. Featuring delicate glass leaf and flower beads in mixed colors, this kit includes everything you need to design elegant handmade earrings, perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. These charming floral elements add a fresh and whimsical touch to any jewelry collection. Design your own stylish European-inspired bracelet with this DIY bracelet making kit featuring colorful acrylic beads and durable brass components. This kit makes it easy to create elegant and personalized accessories. Perfect for beginners and jewelry enthusiasts, it's a fun and creative way to craft unique bracelet for yourself or as an handmade gifts. Create elegant purple theme bracelets with this DIY jewelry making kit. It includes a mix of beads like imitation pearls, glass, acrylic, and lampwork beads, along with alloy charms for a beautiful finished look. Perfect for crafting stylish, personalized bracelet for yourself or as handmade gifts. Create stunning handmade bracelets with these DIY glass bead kits. It includes a mix of glass beads and round plastic beads, perfect for crafting simple yet elegant jewelry pieces. Ideal for beginners and DIY lovers, this kit lets you design personalized bracelet for everyday wear or gifts. Create elegant dangle-style jewelry with this DIY kit featuring a mix of acrylic pearls and glass beads, perfect for making stylish bracelets and earrings. This set is great for beginners and DIY jewelry lovers who enjoy crafting unique accessories. What I love about this jewelry set is that it includes 2 kits, one for earrings and one for bracelets. Create cute and stylish phone strap with this DIY mobile strap making kit. It includes a variety of beads and decorative elements, perfect for designing personalized accessories for your phone, bag, or keys. Fun and easy to use, ideal for beginners and DIY craft lovers. Create cute and elegant bracelet with this DIY bow knot bracelet making kit. It includes glass beads and alloy enamel pendants, perfect for designing stylish and feminine accessories. A fun and easy kit for beginners and DIY jewelry lovers. So if you're planning to purchase this kit, you can get 2, perfect if you want one for yourself and another as a gift. You can even make matching bracelet with the same design. And that's everything I got from PANDAHALL. I really enjoyed exploring their wide range of beads, DIY kits, and jewelry making supplies, and I hope this video gave you some inspiration for your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more bead-related content and fun DIY projects. And if you want to shop from PANDAHALL, don't forget you can use my discount code YXYTN to get an extra 10% off your order. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I fell so hard when I said I wasn't falling. Had my walls up, couldn't let you get inside. But my safety net's gone and now I'm all in. And I'm scared